The sun is shining into my shade bed, so I thought I'd get a little video because it's all lit up and it looks really pretty. It's just a little corner bed that I put in behind Jody's cool old car that he found in the woods. So, of course I made a garden to go behind it. Yeah, this is a juga. These are primrose, they just finished blooming. This is tricolor sedum, but there's green coming in, so if you want to keep it variegated, you have to prune those out. Over here, this is campanula, tall purple trumpets along the stem. There's my pretty little hostas, and I think she's a red lady fern. It's a pretty one. I can't remember. I got another blue hosta back there. And then this is the bird bath. Many a birds have been filmed taking a bath there. And then I have a pretty little shade container that's waking up. And now I have new stuff I need to find a spot for. Yay.